Today I'm excited to welcome a new brand that we have never reviewed before on our channel, and that brand is Zodiac. Zodiac is a Swiss brand that has been around since 1882, and in 1953 they launched the Seawolf, which since then has defined the brand. In 1998, Zodiac went bankrupt and was later purchased by Fossil in 2001, who has revitalized the brand with a brand new line of models and in-house movements. They also have one of the most electrifying people in the business working for them in Michael Pearson, who is the main reason that you know Bremont here in the US. So today we are debuting the brand on the channel with the Super Seawolf and a special 500-piece small batch edition that has a ceramic case and a chronometer certified movement. So let's see if this piece will convince you to give Zodiac a try and perhaps have a new brand that you will enjoy viewing on our channel. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you original and in-depth watch content at least once per week. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland. And it's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us now, I'll go over the watch's detailed measurements and features, and then I'll offer my personal opinion at the end. In our last video, I reviewed the Grand Seiko SBG Y013 Silver Omiwatari. This one is the same watch as the original Omiwatari, but has a silver dial and a new bracelet that will also fit on the original version and can be ordered separately. We compared both of these pieces to figure out which one will be the proper fit for you. And make sure to check this video out if you're into thin dress watches. Wrist check time. Today I have a fun one on. It's my new Super Mario G-Shock limited edition. And I love this piece. The colors are fun. It's just fun to wear and I'm really enjoying it so far. I've got a lot of these in stock right now, so if you need one, just let us know. Now please tell us which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video and make sure to tell me why. Now let's get on to the features. The ceramic Zodiac Super Seawolf has a 40.7mm case width, a 13.5mm thickness, a 51.4mm lug-to-lug, a 19.8mm lug width, a 31.9mm crystal diameter, and weighs in at 94.71 grams. The case on this piece is a shiny black tone and is fully ceramic with a screw-down crown at the 3 position that has the Zodiac logo at the tip. The sapphire crystal is slightly domed and sits above the bezel. The bezel is ceramic as well, with a black ceramic bezel insert. And now, let's see how this bezel performs. This bezel has a crisp and solid feel, and it's a pleasure to use. I actually really like this one, and I think that you will too. The dial is in a deep blue sunburst pattern. The markers are rectangular and are larger for the 3, 6, 9, and 12. A white area with the mitigrade can be found along the outer portion of the dial. The Zodiac symbol can be found in silver at the top middle portion, and to be clear, the Zodiac killer stole the symbol from the brand and not the opposite. Below it, Zodiac and Super Seawolf can be found in white. The hands are baton style and the minute hand is in black, with the hour hand in silver with the separated dual rectangles in the center. The second hand is in white and has a rectangle near the tip. The date window can be found at the 3 position and has a white outline with a black background on the wheel and white numerals. Automatic chronometer 200M/660 feet can be found at the bottom middle portion in white. Lume can be found on all dial markers, the hour, minute, and second hands, and on the pip at the 12 on the bezel. The case back is closed and has the Zodiac symbol in the center. While this is a small batch version, it is not numbered as a limited edition. The movement is by Swiss Technology Production, or STP, which is a company that is owned by Fossil. The STP-1-11, which is an ETA 2824-2 clone, and is very similar to the Sellita SW200-1. It has a 44-hour power reserve, beats at 28,800 beats per hour, has 26 joules, and is chronometer certified, which means it will be accurate to between losing 4 and gaining 6 seconds per day. The strap is a Tropic strap that is from the actual company Tropic, which is Italian rubber with a vanilla scent, with a simple tang buckle in black, which is most likely in steel. The Zodiac Ceramic Super Seawolf is 200-meter water resistant, only 500 will be made, and can be yours for a surprisingly low $1,695. Now for my personal opinion. Well, I think that Zodiac has knocked it out of the park with this one. Firstly, you have a movement that is chronometer certified and should be rock solid since it's based off of an ETA 2824-2. So that should help with the folks that have been avoiding SDP movements in the past. The value here is crazy with a full ceramic case and bezel for only $16.95. I'm a bit surprised, and it really doesn't feel cheap. It's very good. I love how light this ceramic case is, and you will get the benefit of it being mostly impervious to scratches. The Tropic strap is one of my favorite straps to equip aftermarket on my watches, and I currently have one on my Mula Glashütte, and I love it. You can always cut the tail on these if they come up a little bit too high, and they will still look totally normal. I like the dial on this as well, and it really reminds me of a Breitling Super Ocean with different proportions. I think that for this price, this piece will be very hard to beat, and will be a great pickup for a new collector who would like a very high bang for your buck piece to start with. Or for the rest of you, this could be a fun toy to play with while you're planning on your next Grand Seiko purchase. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with all of your friends and your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.